Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I am here to present Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2021 February-March Paper 3 Web Authoring part. In this part of the question paper, they have mentioned that you have been supplied with the following source files. So I have them already here. These files, yes, I have them. Next step, you need to create an evidence document. So I will open the Word to prepare this one as an evidence document, and you should have your name, center number, candidate number on every page of the document. So we need to include our name, center number, candidate number on every page. So name, center number and candidate number. That's it. Next step is to save this evidence as M21 evidence and then followed by your name, center number and candidate number. So I'm going to save it as then my center number, and then underscore candidate number. Let's save it. Next step is to task 2, that is called image editing and file management. So first of all, you need to create a folder, Ocean. So Ocean folder is going to be created here. Next step is to copy these 6 files from the source files given. So select them, excluding the Excel file, copy them and paste it into the folder that you have created just now. Next step is to open the file M21 whaleshark.jpg in a graphic package. Edit the image by, so we need to edit the image. So image editor, simple editing, so we can just simply do it in the paint even. This is how it look like. So the first step that what we need to do is we need to rotate the image by 90 degrees. So I am reducing the zooming of my application so I can see what I am doing. So I can just simply rotate it by 90 degrees. Then after, flip horizontally. So flip horizontal. Then I need to remove or crop to remove the text. So when I click on, I select my picture first. I just need to select my picture. Till the end. Now I need to click on crop and I need to crop the picture. So what I need to crop is the text only as they have mentioned. So I just need to select the image as I have already selected the image here. Yes. Now you need to crop how much, as they mentioned, we need to crop to remove the text. So we need to click on the crop option to remove the text from the bottom. Yes, like this. Next step is to, after cropping, you need to fix the width 500 pixels and the height 1200 pixels. So resize the image and check this one, and the height is 500 and the width is 1200. Yes, height is 500. So height means vertical and width means horizontal. Just that's it. Okay. And that must be in pixels. It is, yes. So the width is how much? 500, and the height is 1200 as they have mentioned. Just click on OK. This is how it will look like. Next step is to save this image as in your folder with the name ws.png. So file, save it as png, and with the name ws underscore your candidate number into the same folder. Save it, and let's move forward to display the content of your Ocean folder, showing the folder name, all file names, file extensions, image dimension, and file size, and save it into your evidence document. So we need to close this one, open this folder, view, and then content. The contents are visible, print screen, and then just save it as evidence 1. Now crop it because we don't want to show the unnecessary part of the picture. That's enough to show the file name and its extensions. Moving forward to the web page part now. So you are going to create a web page and style sheet to promote ocean conservation. The web page and style sheet must work in any browser or color code except those provided in the source files must be in the hexadecimal. Make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML. Make your HTML and style sheet as efficient as possible. So you need to create in your Ocean folder a web page called Ocean. So just click here. I will open the application. I'm using Microsoft Expression Web. Save this one with the name Ocean. So we'll go to desktop. Here is my folder. We just save it here. Done. Next step is we need to create a table. This table must work in the browser. The table must fit 80% of the browser window, and the table must be structured as shown in the diagram. So we need to have a table like this, which include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 4 columns. So design table, insert 5 rows, 4 columns, and 80% of width. That's it. First 4 rows need to be merged. Modify, merge cell. Then these 3 rows need to be merged. Right click, merge cells. Again 3 cells need to be merged. Right click, merge cell. Then this cell needs to be merged with the 3 upcoming cells. And then at the end, the last row, all the cells will be merged to become a single cell. So I need to name each cell, as I said, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So I will just name it for my reference A, B, C, that's D, E, F, G, and this one is H. Now next step is we need to set up this one, 15% height. Just click here, go to code, and then just mention here the height 15%, or right click here, just right click, cell properties, and the height in percentage, just write 15. Done. Sorry, next step is this cell need to be 75 pixels percent wide and 45 high. Click here and then cell properties, 75 is the width and 45 is the height. Apply OK. Next step, this one is only 25 pixel wide. The width is only 25%. Then next is only 10%. This one. Cell height is 10% only. Apply OK. And next is 20% high and 25 width. Select them, right click, cell properties. The width 25% and height is 20%. Yes. Apply and OK. And the last one is also 10% high. So height is 10%. Apply and OK. Done. So there are some instructions. Each table cell is identified with the letters. Some dimensions are shown. So these must be set as percentage value and not in pixels. The cell content shown in the diagram must not appear on the final web page, and table borders must not appear on the final web page. So place in cell A the image M21 banner. So here select this one, insert an image, and we will insert the image called banner. And that's it. I can just call it a banner. Next step is B, a placeholder to fill the width of the cell containing the video clip M21 spinner. If not, then an error message is displayed. So in cell B, where is our cell B? Here it is. We need to insert a video clip. So media, Windows Media Player, and then all files, and M21 spinner. And then active as control, tag properties, and then you just mention here the message, video not supported, for example, and then just you need to fill it. So 75 or 75%, just like this. So it should be actually 100% to fill up the whole cell. Yes. Next step is to in cell C include the image WS. So here we need to include the image. We just edit it, picture, and that's the one. So this one is, for example, whale shark image. Just like that, include it. Now moving forward to the next step, place inline style attributes into the HTML so that each image fits the width of the table cell with its aspect ratio maintained. So let's just check this one, if it covers the whole table, and this one as well. Yes, it is. Fine. Next step is to, we have checked this already, maintained, everything is working well. This one is having less space, so you can just increase the size by going to picture property and the banner. Right now the size of the images like this, so you can increase the width of it, as they have mentioned that this one banner only the height is given, not the width. So the width of our table is 80%. So I'm just going to right click or just going to the code here, and we'll just mention height is already here, and then width, if I change it to, for example, 100%. Let's see what will happen. Go to design. So it covers now the whole page. Yes. And even the rest of the items as well. Now this one also we need to go to the code, and the height and width is given here. We just need to check if covers all the area. For example, after this all, I need to place in cell D the content of M21 Ocean. So M21 Ocean, select this all and then just paste it in cell D here. And they have mentioned here that must be displayed as 2 paragraph, and third paragraph you need to write a web page updated by, then your name, center number and candidate number. Yes, and that must be in the paragraph style. So choose paragraph. Next step is to place in cell E the text species, cell E with the text species, cell F with ocean waste. So we'll just select this one, ocean waste, and then here we need to include the text, contact us to help. And then we need to apply the H1 style to it. So H1, yeah, and then in cell H they want us to include the content of M21 text file. This one, M21 text file, just need to paste it here, and this one will be as heading style H2 as they have mentioned over here, and then attach the style sheet M21 Ocean to it. So format, style sheet, attach the style sheet, browse, and ocean style sheet I have attached. Save. Just click here to save the web page. And now you need to edit the style sheet that you have attached just now. So we'll open the style sheet that I have just attached, and I need to update it to have the table center align within the browser window. So I just need to mention here margin from left is auto, semicolon, then margin from right auto, so that it will be center align. Then after we need to set a background color. So we need a background color here, format, new style, and body. Yes, background color is, the sequence is red, green, blue. So 9A, AB, D5. Hash symbol, you just write 9A, A, B, D5. That's what they said. Yes. Apply. OK. Moving to the next step, set the font for H1, H2 and paragraph style so that the browser selects and display the font Arial. If this font is not available, the browser selects and display the font Verdana, If neither of these fonts is available, the browser should display its default sans serif font. Set each of these fonts as black. So the color should be black. So in this case, you just need to click here and you just mention H1, H2 and paragraph. We want the font family to be Arial Helvetica. So we just remove this one and we just write here Verdana. Verdana. Yeah. Comma. And then after we want the font black in color. So color is black. Or if you don't want to write this, you just write hash symbol and then zeros. That's it. Now next step is to center align H1. So H1 should be text aligned to the center and H2 and paragraph fully justified. So H2 and paragraph justified. That's it. After this, add your name, center number, candidate number as a comment at the start of the sheet. So here, just write your name, then center number, and then candidate number, and that's it. Then you need to save the style sheet into the Ocean folder and then take the screenshot of the file name and the contents are fully visible. Print screen. Go to your evidence document and that's your evidence 2. Evidence 2. Again you need to crop it just to crop the unnecessary part of the picture. Now the contents are clearly visible. Next step is to go to your web page and display the HTML source of your web page. So just go here, code, and copy this all code from here and then just paste this one as your evidence 3. That's it. And then you need to display your web page in the web browser to take a final screenshot view of your web page. Now just display your web page in the web browser. So as I have displayed, so this is how it looked like. You just need to have a screenshot of it, or you just need to improve little bit if you want, or otherwise it will remain the same. So you just choose from here. For example, I have chosen from here 25% or 50% just to show the content, or just close this one and display into the web browser. Enable the content. Yes, this is how it is. So you just need to display with the content as a single screenshot, just like that. So you can simply like for example, if you decrease the height, this is how it will look like. Yes, you just click on play, so the contents will be clearly visible, and then you just have a screenshot of it. So just print screen and include it into your evidence document just like that, and then you crop the unnecessary part of the picture just like that. Yeah, yes. Now you can increase the size. Yeah, and you can increase from here as well to show the contents clearly visible, just like that. So that's it from the web page part of this question paper. So hope you have learned how to produce the web page, and then you have to print your evidence document, and that's your evidence document. Save and prints. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.